Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Peter in here with us this morning, and Peter's come all the way over here from Sydney, Australia to visit us. I asked him if he knew Dr. Ian down there, and he said he'd heard about him.
I have.
Yeah. He sees a chiropractor regularly and is on maintenance care. He sees a good chiropractor in Sydney.
Yes.
And what's his name?
Ben McGraw.
Ben McGraw.
Very good.
So you can say hi to Ben.
Hi, Ben.
Yeah. Okay. So this is Peter's first time here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. So let's relax your arms and flex your head forward and backwards for me, Peter. Peter comes in with lower back pain and pain down into his left leg, numbness and tingling down there. That's called lumbosacral radiculopathy. His head's a little forward and over to the right. I suspect he's a side sleeper.
Yes.
Pelvis shifted a little bit left of center as well. Now he broke his right ankle playing rugby, wasn't it?
Judo.
Judo, that's right. How could I forget that?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna lay you back on your tummy. So he's got pins and screws and plates down in his left ankle, and he's got very limited mobility there. So that, what happens when you got a bum ankle like that, you get compensatory issues from in the knees and hips all the way up into the lumbar spine. Now his right leg was ½ inch short, it gets even right here, and that tightened up a little bit in his thighs and lumbar spine region. I've already examined him and done his history. So I'm going to start adjusting him now. There we go. Keep breathing. Yep. Boy. There it is. Well, you're making me work for him, aren't you, Peter?
Yeah, I thought I'd make it hard for you.
Yeah, that's all right. Legs are even now. I bet you this feels easier than that first one did.
Yep, sure does.
Yep. Okay, you're going to feel your head popping up a little bit on this one. Good. Okay, let's turn you on your back now, please, sir. There. Okay, slide down this way a bit, and let's put both your arms out to the sides for me. There we go, okay. Let this leg relax. There you go. Should have felt that from your knee all the way up into your low back.
Sure did.
Good. Same thing here. Let me have this one. There you go. I'm just going to check this ankle. Ooh, all that's sore, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty messy.
Yeah, it is. He's got a lot of fibrotic adhesions and scar tissue down in there. I told him the best thing to do for this is to get some rolfing done in here and keep moving it. Movement is the key to all musculoskeletal rehabilitation. Immobility, casting it, splinting it, bracing it, that's all old medicine. The new physical medicine model is movement. Okay, let's sit you up, face this way. So that old line, move it or lose it, is very true. There you go. Good. Shoulders are a little hung up here too. There you go.
Better now.
Yeah. Here you go. I'll get your elbows first. Mm-hmm. Peter, being in judo, probably recognizes that some of these moves are martial arts moves. You know, where you lock the wrist and the elbow.
Yep.
See, I know how to break them, but I also know how not to. Yeah, let's come over this way. Yeah, martial arts actually made me a better chiropractor. But right here, get up this way. Scoot down this way just a tad more. There you go. There. There we go. So we got a few crack at pins down in Australia, huh?
Yeah, there's a few there. I've introduced a few more.
Yeah, there you go. Thank you.
Told them while I was coming, so.
Yeah. Now they'll get to see you get
Yeah,
it.
they were pretty excited about it.
That's cool. Alright, there we go. Now I want you just to keep your teeth together. Breathe through your nose, wiggle your left big toe. There you go.
Oh.
Yes, sir. You
Wow.
should have felt that go all the way down.
Absolutely, I did.
Yes, sir.
Jeez. Knocks the wind out of you.
Yeah, it does. Okay, I got you. There you go. Boy, Crackache's definitely gonna love you. There you go. Good job. Yes, sir.
It's very intense.
Yes, sir.
Mm.
I'm a bone mover.
Yeah, absolutely. Wow.
Okay, let's get up sideways. Push yourself up with your arm. Yep. Stand right here in front of the mirror for me, please, Peter. All right. I'm gonna have you close your eyes and flex your head forward and backwards again. And back to neutral. Wow, take a look at that. You're standing up a lot straighter right now.
Absolutely.
Pull these up and back for me. Flare these way back here. And then your head's just a little forward, so we're gonna come straight back. Now look at the wall behind you. Yep. Feel a little tap on your atlas there and there. Now relax again. And this time when you flex your head forward and backwards, Peter, tell me if this feels any differently to you than the previous
A
one.
lot smoother.
Good.
Yeah, absolutely.
Super. So do you feel better than when you walked in the door?
Absolutely, I do. Yeah,
Great.
that's fantastic. Yeah.
Good, good.
Really good.
Thank you for sharing your treatment with everyone on YouTube today.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston with Peter from Australia. We'll see y'all soon.